Welcome back to another day at Topcast. Today we are going to talk about 10 good reasons why do you need a job in your life and reasons to apply for a job right now. In the past year, almost 200 million people are currently unemployed across the world. Jobs do much more than provide income. They allow families better access to amenities like safe water and reliable energy, which in turn free up time and money and improve health and education. In a virtuous circle, this leads to a new generation of skilled, educated and aspirational young people equipped to take advantage of new opportunities. With 9 out of 10 jobs in developing countries currently provided by the private sector. And have you all heard this advice before? Follow your passion. And many of us have wondered what exactly it means. There are plenty of reasonable, logical, and inspiring reasons to have a job in your life as game-changing experience. We'll talk about that. Number 1. You need to earn a living. According to Niall Doherty, there are only 2 reasons to get a job: to earn and to learn. So what if you don't feel like your work is your calling? It's still teaching you valuable skills. The most logical of motivations, this follows from the awareness that compensation derived from employment enables us to provide for our basic needs and arbitrary wants. The mantra for this is, if I work, I earn. If I earn, I can buy what my family and I need to survive and be happy. Number 2. Everyone else you know is employed. Sometimes, seeing family or friends being employed can evoke feelings of not being productive or helpful to their families at varying degrees of intensity. This unfortunate bum state is often the source of a self-imposed quest to become employed. Fresh graduates are especially prone to having this experience as their colleagues become professionals much earlier than they do. Number 3. You want to get rich. That's true. And who wouldn't? The difference here is that people who prioritize this reason would only consider the others on this list as secondary reasons. For such people, success is primarily measured in the material aspect. This is when wealth is the final goal, and there are actually people who are so motivated by earning money in this fashion. Number 4. You're impressed with the company. It's becoming more important than ever to vibe with the company's culture that writes your paycheck. Think about the type of organization you want to work for and search out job descriptions that match your preferences. Choosing to apply to the ones that closely align with your personal philosophy of life will help you be happier in your role if you end up landing the job. Number 5. You have a connection that works at the company. According to an article one have reading on a newspaper last week, referrals are the top recruiting tool, delivering over 30% off all new hires in 2017. Someone who knows both you and the inner workings of the company is perhaps the best person to advise whether you would be a fit. You can ask them questions that dig into the daily aspects of working there, find out about management's personalities, and hear first-hand accounts of specific projects. Number 6. The position would be a step up. If your goal is to drive your career path onward and upward, a job that would be 1 or more levels up from where you are employed now would be a smart move. A better title frequently comes with higher pay and more benefits. So landing a job in a higher pay grade than you have now is one of the best reasons to apply. Number 7. The organization offers career development. You might be happy in your current job, but there's no way to advance. Maybe the company is small or they don't promote from within. Whatever the reason, if you're in a dead-end job and see an opening that would offer you advancement opportunities, it would benefit your career to shoot them an application. Number 8. The job and its benefits fits your lifestyle. Aside from the actual work you will be doing, you need to think about how the job will affect your life. Remember to think really hard about the benefits package, which are things other than money that the company provides to employees as compensation. If the job description outlines better healthcare, more vacation time, and other perks like on-site gyms, counseling, bring your dog to work days, and childcare options, weigh them against what you have at your current job. If they stack up positively, send the company your resume. Number 9. The application process is reasonable. Job application processes these days can vary drastically. From some companies only wanting a resume, to others wanting you to send a resume and cover letter, and also fill out a multiple-page online application, and also send work samples. Think hard about whether you think a job's application process is reasonable in light of how advanced the role is, and what effort you think makes sense for someone to have to put into pursue a job opportunity. It's probably a good sign when you find a company that doesn't make job candidates jump through unnecessary hurdles in a complex application process. Number 10. Why do you want to get a job? That's an easy question. First one is money. People work to make money. They need money for food, for rent, and to have fun with their friends and family. Second one is independence. Money isn't the only reason to work. Working can also give you more independence and more control over your own life. When you work, you are learning new things, getting more skills, and making friends with people you meet through your job. Third one is community. People work to be part of and contribute to their communities. This means that jobs exist not only for your benefit, but jobs also let you help others. For example, let's say I have a job in an office delivering the mail. I'm helping the whole office save time and get stuff done. Any or all of these reasons can be considered factors in deciding our career path. For first-time job seekers, a greater awareness of personal motivations can make the job-seeking process much clearer. For people who have been employed before or are currently employed, these reasons can influence either career development or shifting. As we become more aware of the factors involved in getting employed, being certain of our motivation is a great step in making us more employable. It enables us to fully commit to the employment opportunity that we could be given, thereby allowing us to embrace our work for everything that it is. It is in knowing why we work from the bottom of our hearts that we can put aside any doubts of where we truly belong. Hope you enjoy this video. So please share the video with your loved ones. And also don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button to get notified about further updates.